Chapter 1. Expanding the memory. A while ago, I built a working RAM module in Minecraft. It could store data using individual memory cells, but I wanted to improve the design. The biggest change I made was increasing the storage capacity. My original version stored 40 bits, or 5 bytes, of information. The new version stores 64 bits, which is 8 bytes. And I even increased the speed of the memory, all by shortening the redstone wire. Overall, I expanded the memory by around 50%, reduced the delay, and made the entire system faster to operate. Chapter 2. Building a control panel. The next improvement was making the RAM easier to use. In the first video, I had to walk around different parts of the machine whenever I wanted to write data or read it back. So I built a small control panel. The control panel lets me choose an address, enter data, and operate the RAM without standing directly next to the memory cells. Instead of interacting with multiple sections of the build, almost everything can now be controlled from one location. It doesn't change how the RAM works internally, but it makes using it much more convenient. Chapter 3. Example of using it. With the upgrades complete, here's an example of it in action. Compared to my original design, this version stores more data, has a dedicated control panel, and is much easier to operate. I'm really happy with how this version turned out. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in the build, there is a semi-finished LITEMATICA file in the description.